Hello everyone, welcome back here again to my YouTube channel. So to this video we have something that we have to repair, which is, as you can see right now, it's that one here, right? This one was already been repaired before, as you can see right there, right here. So this one, I don't know how old this tile is. Probably, I don't know, probably 30 years. So for now, we're just gonna only what's this? Repair this one. I think it's pretty much like probably around here that we have to remove and put it back on. So we're gonna try to not to break the tiles, so we can put it back. All right, let's do it. They already start falling apart. Right? Right. So we're gonna try to keep this. Okay. They use some kind of plaster a long time ago, right? So we should wear masks because, you know. Alright, so oh, my mask. The next step now what we have to do is we're not going to cut the backboard out. We don't cut it here. We cut it somewhere here, like that. Alright, because the reason why if we cut it here, we won't be able to joint it. So, right, so that's the main purpose for this repair. Same here, we're not gonna cut it here. We'll cut it somewhere here. Right? And then we'll put the moisture board. Alright, ready? Okay, so now I finished cutting. Now let's try to remove it. Okay, so let's clean up for now. Alright, so now it's nice and clean. Now it's time to put the drywall on it too. Alright, so now the wall is ready. So what we could do now is, so what you could use, you can use the mesh. You're using it for drywall tape. This can work. So you gotta put it right where the joint is. This is the reason why we're not gonna cut it where the tile is, because we want to join this together. Right there. That one's a little bit too big, so we're just gonna fill that one in first. So what I have here, I have this wall pile. Just like that. Okay, so that should be good now. Alright, so today we're gonna start tiling. So most likely we're gonna start on top. Alright, so again we have the ready mix tile adhesive, and that's what we're gonna be using. Alright, so either you need a butter knife, so you need a 1/4. It should be good. Okay, let's do this one. Stick in there. Alright. Okay, so let's do the first layer. If they're gonna start sliding down, you can put tape. Alright, so now we're done. Now, I only have a problem because I'm short of this, guys. So, I mean, this one is just to repair only. Right? Then I'm just gonna use any of this, and that's what we're gonna be using. Now, if you're gonna repair this one because you want this one to, you don't have no plans to redo this one, then you have to go find something that can match, right? But I didn't really bother because this one is gonna go anyhow. Maybe we're gonna start all the renovations. We're gonna leave this one as it is for now until we're gonna do this one last one. So what we're doing here is I'm just showing something like how do we repair some kind of something small work. It's like nothing crazy, right? That's why I don't really care putting a different tile here. So it's okay. I call it pipe. Okay, there you go. That's it. Alright, we're just gonna wait for maybe a couple hours and then we can grout it. Alright, so this is the last part that we're going to do. So for tight spacing like this, you need the non-sanded grout. Okay, so now after you grout it like that, wait for like 15 minutes and then wipe it off. Okay, so now it's 15 minutes already. Now you have to, it really depends on the grout that you're gonna be using. Some of them are quick dry, so you can't wait that too long. Because what happens is like if you wipe it off too soon, you can end up wiping it off. So all right, maybe one more time that we can that we have to wipe it off, and then we should be good. All right, so now last one. So this is good to go. All right, so we're good. Okay, now we can do the caulking. I like to use like bathroom tissues. All right, so that's good there. Now we're just gonna do this one here. All right, so that's it. So we're done with the repair. All right, so that's it for today. So until next time, I'll see you guys back again for anything that comes up, and I would be happy to share anything that might be coming to cross path in the future, something that we can do it ourselves. All right.